family suffer every year.
Michael!
Oh, that's funny. Michael! Stop it.
Stop what?
You're talking about me in Morse code. But you know what? Joke's on you, because I know Morse code. Ha!
Yeah, that's what we're doing. In our very limited free time and with our very limited budget, we went and got a nanny, and then we went out and took a class on a very outmoded and very unnecessary form of communication just so we could talk about you in front of you. Yep, that's exactly what we did.
It all started when Dwight was tapping his foot against the leg of his desk.